Hey y'all, Lily here. In today's video, I'm going to be going over my Cricut Easy Press Mini. This one is 6 by 7 inches. So if you would like to know a little bit more about how I use this and about this heat press, then keep on watching. Should you have any questions along the way, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to assist you. Alright, so here we have the Cricut Easy Press Mini. This 6 by 7 inch press is the smallest size of the EasyPress 2 family. Alright, so here we have the interface. It's very easy to use. It has your standard power button. It has your temperature setting. I clicked it so I could change my temperature and I didn't click it quick enough. So that way I wasn't able to change the temperature. So I have to go back and click the temperature setting, and as soon as it starts blinking, you have to change your temperature. Very easy to set. You just go higher or lower, and then once you get to your desired temperature, you just click the temperature button again and it sets. And then the bottom we have the timer. So here you would do the exact same thing, click it, and so just make sure as soon as you click it and it starts blinking to go ahead and change your setting immediately. Right, I love the fact that this press is very easy to use, very simple, minimal buttons. It does have this button over here to the right side, the green where it's lit up green. This is the countdown for the time. So I clicked it and you can see here it's counting down, which is pretty cool. Alright, so this heat press is very straightforward, not much to it. It has your basic interface. So I'm going to go ahead and test it out in the next clip to see how it works. Alright, so here I'm going to apply this HTV onto a t-shirt. I normally put a piece of Teflon over my design, but I'm going to go ahead and just press it over the actual HTV just to see how it holds up. So I'm just going ahead and going over every little piece, pressing down, putting pressure onto the vinyl. I'm normally used to the standard heat press to where you press down the lever and it automatically gives the accurate amount of pressure. So here I'm just kind of eyeballing it, trying to figure out if I'm applying the correct amount of pressure. Alright, so here I'm just gonna peel off the clear plastic from the HTV, and it seems to be peeling off pretty good. No issues, no problems. So I flipped the shirt, and this is a design I'm going to press on the other side. This time I placed a piece of Teflon sheet on top of the HTV just to see if it would normally press like I normally press my t-shirts, and I did the exact same thing. I just moved around, pressed it. I firmly pressed it as much as I could. Alright, so after pressing it down for a good amount of time, I'm going to go ahead and peel off the clear part of the HTV. And it peeled off really smoothly, no problems, no issues whatsoever, so it adhered pretty good. I went ahead and placed the Teflon sheet again on top of the design and pressed it a second time just to make sure everything adhered and is not going to go anywhere. So it worked out pretty nicely. The HTV seems to have adhered correctly onto the t-shirt. I didn't have any issues during the pressing process. I wouldn't see myself using this press for like a big t-shirt, but since this was a youth size t-shirt, it worked out perfectly for it. I did throw it in the washer and it held up really good. Nothing came off, no wrinkles or anything. So for it being so small, I really like this heat press. Like I said, I only use it for like small t-shirts or onesies, anything that doesn't require the standard heat press. I do like it. I do recommend it. I'm going to go ahead and leave the link in the description box below in case you'd like to pick one up. I do appreciate you watching this video. If I missed anything, feel free to comment down below and I will do my best to assist you. I do have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I would greatly appreciate the support over there. Thank you so much for watching and have a great one.